Next, Brinda will tell me.
Did you count and write?
Yes, after 21.
Yes, very good. Very good.
Yes, Ashuta,
So
please.
what are those four numbers? Can you tell me, Soksha?
I'm telling, ma'am. 21.
Yes, Ashuta.
Telling, ma'am.
Ashuta, this you should not take this much time. It's so easy. Start counting after 21 and count forward 3. Come on.
21.
After 21, Ashuta.
22.
So
No. The answer is 24.
If you will count forward 3 after 21, you will reach number 24. So answer is 2, 4, 24. Now that's correct. Brinda Raj, please read next question. Third bit. Yes, Brinda.
Third bit. Add it to 4.
How much we have to add? We have to add 4 here. Okay. And what are the numbers?
11, 15, 19, 30, 20.
Oh, 11, 15, 19 and 30.
Ma'am. 11, 15, 19, 23.
Now after 23, what should be the next number? Count forward 4 after 23. Show me your fingers. Yeah, start counting.
24, 25, 26, 27,
What should be the answer?
27.
Yes, answer should be 2, 7, 27. So we will write here 27. Next number, Brinda.
Remember? 28, 29, 30, 31.
We have to count forward 4 again. So next number is 3, 1, 30.
1.
Yes, next number is 3, 1, 31. That's correct. Thank you, Brinda. Bhanu. Bhanu, after 31, what should be the next number?
Okay, ma'am.
How much we are adding here, Bhanu? In third bit, how much we have to add?
Numbers.
How much we are adding here? 2, 3, 4, 5. How much we are adding?
4.
Yes. So now tell me 31 plus 4, how much?
31.
Plus 4,
32.
yeah. Whenever you are... Bhanu, stop.
34.
Bhanu, please stop.
35.
Bhanu, listen carefully. Whenever you are adding, you will start counting after the given number. Number is 31. Start counting after 31. Now tell me after 31.
32. 33. 34. 35.
Just give me a second.
35 answer.
Answer is 3, 5, 30. 5. Okay. Bhanu, please unmute yourself. Bhanu, you need to unmute yourself. Okay, so the first number was 27. Then we had 31 here. Yes, after 31, what is the next number, Bhanu?
35.
35. Okay, after 35?
36.
Yes.
37. 38. 39.
So next number will be 35, and after 35, next number will be 39.
39.
39. Yes. Okay, fine. Okay. Dhruti,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruti, read fourth bit now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What are the numbers?
10, 20, 30, 40.
Numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. Now, Dhruti, what is written here? How much we have to add? Add how much?
10, ma'am.
Very good. We have to add 10. So here in the sequence, number is 40. Last number is 40. Dhruti, 40 plus 10, how much?
40 plus 10.
Take out your 10 fingers and start counting after 40, Dhruti.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
40, 50.
Start counting after 40. Take out the 10 fingers, Dhruti. Switch on your camera first. I want to see your 10 fingers. Yeah, start counting after 40.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Yes, so next number should be 50. 50. Okay, Dhruti, after 50, what should be the next number? Again, how much you have to add?
60.
Yes, again you have to add 10. So next number will be 60. 60. That's correct. Okay. Now, Ketan, after 60, what should be the next number? Ketan? Ketan? Ketan is not there. Pradiksha, please unmute yourself and tell me what should be the next number after 60. Count forward 10 again. Pradiksha,
Yes, ma'am.
60 plus 10, how much?
60, 6, 10 fingers.
Yeah, start
61.
counting. Show me your 10 fingers, Pradiksha. Pradiksha, show me your 10 fingers. Start counting after 60. Now start.
60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 60,
Uh-huh.
70, 70.
Yeah, next number should be 70. And what should be the next number after 70, Pradiksha?
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80.
Yes, next number should be 80, 80. So this is how you are going to complete the sequence. Okay? Done till here, or is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone? Yes, children, is there anyone who is still writing? Excuse me. Okay, fine. If you have completed your work till here, then we'll move ahead. Okay, children, now open page number 9999 of your math textbook. I repeat, you have to open page number 9999 of your math textbook. This is my practice time 3. I'll write here so that you people will not have any confusion. This is page number 99 of your math textbook. Okay. Yes, children, this is page number 99 of textbook. Write date in classwork. Today date is 5th of February 2021. I repeat, page number 99 of your math textbook. My date in classwork and date is 5th February. Okay, fine. We'll start now. Fine, we'll start with the first question now. Okay. Swarnika, are you there now? Swarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Swarnika, please read first question.
3.
Complete the
Numbers patterns.
Complete the number patterns. Okay, fine. So here we have to complete the number patterns like we did. Okay, Swarnika, please.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Huh?
Ma'am, can I tell?
First read the question. 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Okay, numbers are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Okay, fine. Now, Swarnika, first you need to tell me this is an increasing pattern or decreasing pattern?
Increasing pattern.
Huh?
Increasing pattern.
Yes, very good. Yes, children, if you will look at these numbers carefully, you can see that these numbers are increasing. Okay. First we have 3, then we have 6, then 9, then 12 and then 15. So this is an increasing pattern. Very good. Now, Swarnika, tell me how much we should add to 3 to get number 6.
3.
Very good. And after 6, what is the next number? Question
6. 9.
9. Now how much you should add to 6 to get 9?
3.
3. Very good. Yes, children, what we are doing here is we are adding 3 to the previous number to get next number. Right? Our first number is 3. So you have to count forward how many steps? 4, 5, 6. 3 steps to reach number 6. After 6, number is 9. Then how many you are counting forward? How many steps? After 6, count 7, 8, 9. Then again you are counting forward 3. Right? So this means that you are adding 3 to the previous number to get next number. Okay. Now Swarnika, tell me after 15, what should be the next number? You have to, again, you have to count forward.
We will add 3, you will get 18.
Very good. That's correct answer. Yes, children, again, we'll be adding 3. So 15 plus 3 is how much? 1, 8, 18. That's the correct answer. Very good, Swarnika. After 18, Swarnika, what should be the next number?
Next number is 21.
Very good. Again, we'll be adding 3 to 18. 18 plus 3 is 2, 121. That's the correct answer. Very good, Swarnika. Now, Tanvishree, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
After 21, count forward 3 again, Tanvishree.
And 24, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, children, 21 plus 3 is 24. That's the correct answer. Okay, Tanvishree, now please read second bit.
6, 13,
Okay.
20,
Yes.
27, 34. And next is 37.
Yes. Okay. Tanvishree, you tell me, okay, this is an increasing pattern or decreasing? Numbers are increasing or numbers are decreasing?
Increasing.
Very good. Because our first number is 6, then we have 13, then 20, then 27, and then 34. So definitely this is an increasing pattern. Now, Tanvi Sri, how much you have to count forward from 6 to reach number 13? Show me.
3.
Tanvi Sri, start. No. Okay, listen carefully. Start counting after 6. Take out your fingers one by one, and then try to reach number 13. After 6, start counting.
6 after.
Show me your fingers. Yeah, no. Close your fingers. Make a fist. Yeah, now start after 6.
6 after. 7. 8. 9.
Yeah.
10.
Hmm.
11.
Hmm.
11. 12.
Next hand. Tanvi Sri, keep your pencil down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Close your fingers. Now start counting after 6. One by one.
7.
Yes.
8.
Hmm.
9. 10. 11. 12. 13.
Yes. So how many steps forward you have counted?
7.
Very good. So we are counting forward 7 to reach number 13 from 6. Good. Now you have to reach number 20 from 13. Start counting after 13 and tell me how much you have to count forward. Show your fingers.
13 after.
Hmm.
14.
Hmm.
15. 16. 17. 18.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
19. 20. 20 after. 21.
See how many steps?
7, ma'am.
Very good. So how much we have to add?
7 numbers. Ma'am.
Yes. So we have to add 7 to the previous number to get next number. So 34 plus 7 will be 4141. That's the correct answer. Thank you, Tanvi Sri. You're welcome. Okay. Now, Veda.
Ma'am.
How much we are adding to the previous number, Veda?
41.
How much we are adding? We are adding 2, we are adding 4, we are adding 5, we are adding 7. How much we are adding?
7.
Very good. So tell me 41 plus 7, how much?
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48.
Very good. Next number will be 4848. After 48?
49, 50, 52, 53,
Veda, after 50, 52?
50.
Yes. Tell me, Veda.
Ma'am, I will read now. We got call. We cut, ma'am.
After 48, yes, Veda.
49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Answer is 65.
Yes, next number will be 5555. Now this is correct. Okay. Now, Tarini, please unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, Tarini. Now look at third bit and tell me what are the numbers.
25, 23,
Okay.
21,
Yes.
19, 17.
Okay, so numbers are 25, 23, 21, 19 and 17. So a pattern is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. Look at the pattern.
Not decreasing. decreasing.
Yes, so numbers are actually decreasing. So this pattern is a decreasing pattern. Right, okay. Tarini, now you have to tell me if this is a decreasing pattern. So we have to add here or we have to subtract here?
Subtract.
How much we have to subtract? How many steps we have to go backward? Think and tell me.
Three steps.
3 steps.
2 steps.
Tarini, go back from 25.
25.
From 25, you have to reach number 23. So how many steps backward? What comes just before 25? Previous, you have to go backward. 24. And then?
23.
How many steps backward? You have moved how many steps backward, Tarini?
24.
You have
23, 22.
No. Listen carefully. We have to reach 23 from 25, right? So we have to count backward. So what comes just before 25? Backward, previous number. 24.
23.
Take out your one finger. Okay, 24. So this is for 24. Now you have to reach, okay, what comes just before 24? What comes just before 24?
Before.
Previous number. What comes just before 24?
Miss, I said 24, then I said 23, but is that not the answer?
First you tell me, Tarini, what comes just before 24? Previous
23.
23. Take out.
24.
Okay. Listen here. Okay, I want everyone to look at your screen. I'll tell you. Okay, Tarini, I'll get back to you. Yes, children. So the question is like, okay, I may not be visible. Okay, I hope now I'm visible. So the number was 25, right? So you have to go backward because this is a decreasing pattern, right? Since this is a decreasing pattern, so you have to go backward. So from 25, how many steps you have to go backward to reach number 23? We have to look for a previous number. So what comes just before 25? 24. So you will take out your one finger, right? Now what comes just before 24? 23. So how many fingers now? 2 fingers, and you have already reached number 23. So this means that you are going 2 steps backward. You are going how many steps backward? 2 steps backward, right? Now if you will see the next 2 numbers, that is 23 and 21. Now from 23, you have to reach number 21. Again, now how many steps backward? What comes just before 23? You have to go previous. You have to look for a previous number. So before 23 comes 22. So we will take out one finger. Now after 22, before 22, what comes? 21. So now we have reached number 21 from number 23. How many steps backward? 2. So what we are doing here in this sequence, we are going 2 steps backward. Okay, 2 steps backward, right? So you have to look for a previous number here and you have to go 2 steps backward. All right. Okay, so Tarini, unmute yourself and tell me. We have to go 2 steps backward here. So what should be the number? What we should write next after 17 here? 2 steps backward.
18.
Back. 17 back.
16.
16. Tarini, 16 and
15.
what should be the answer?
15.
Yes, answer should be 1, 5, 15. So we'll write here 15. Now again, Tarini. Okay, Tarini, tell me what should be the next number after 15? What we should write next? Again, 2 steps
30.
forward. Yes, Tarini, what should be the next number?
30.
Yes, 13. Next number should be 13 because if you go 2 steps backward from 15, you will reach number 13. That's okay. That's correct. Thank you, Tarini. Pradiksha. Pradiksha, please sit properly. Yeah, Pradiksha, how many steps backward we have to go in third bit?
2 steps.
Very good. So from 13, go 2 steps backward and tell me what should be the next number.
111.
Yes, children. Good, Pradiksha. So if you are going 2 steps backward from 13, you will reach number 11. That's correct. Okay. Now, next one. Okay. Yes, Swarnika, please unmute yourself. Swarnika?
Ma'am, I want to tell.
Swarnika, wait for your turn, okay? I'll get back to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now, next question. Arohi,
Yes, ma'am.
please look at fourth bit and tell me what is there. Fourth bit. 48.
48, 44, 40, 40, 36, 32.
So what is happening here? Arohi, is this increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Very good. Numbers are decreasing here. So this is a decreasing pattern. Very good. Okay. So this is a decreasing pattern. So how many we are subtracting here, Arohi, or how many steps we are going backward? Can you tell? From 48, 4 steps. Very good. Very good, Arohi. Yes, children, if you want to reach number 44 from 48, then you have to go 4 steps backward. That's correct. Okay, Arohi, then what should be the next number? From 32, go 4 steps backward.
29.
Show me your 4 fingers, Arohi. Arohi, show me your 4 fingers. Okay, Arohi, please show me your 4 fingers. Yeah, now you have to go backward. What comes just before 32?
31.
Then 30.
28.
Yes, so number will be 2828. That's correct. Okay, now next number after 28, what shall we write here? Again, 4 steps backward, Arohi.
24.
Very good. So next number will be 2424. That's the correct answer. That's correct. Thank you, Arohi. So we are going backward. Sudhamsh? Sudhamsh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Sudhamsh, tell me what should be the next number after 24? 4 steps backward.
20.
Yes, very good. If you are going 4 steps backward, so next number should be 2020. Very good. Okay, so Sudhamsh, now look at the last pattern, that is bit E. Tell me what are the numbers? Tarini.
117, 14,
42.
42,
Then,
37,
okay. Then,
32, 27, 22,
okay. So this is 42, 37, 32, 27, 22. Okay, first tell me, Sudhamsh, increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Yes, Sudhamsh, numbers are increasing or decreasing?
decreasing,
Yes, very good. Numbers are decreasing here. So this is a decreasing pattern. Very good. Okay, Sudhamsh, now tell me how many steps backward we have to go here. From 42, you have to reach number 37, Sudhamsh. How many steps backward?
5,
5. Very good. That's correct. So we are going 5 steps backward. So tell me, Sudhamsh, after 22, what shall I write here?
70,
Backward?
17.
17,
Very good. And after 17?
17,
20.
21,
Again, 5 steps backward.
12,
Yes, next number will be 1, 2.
7,
Okay, and then next last number will be 7. That's correct. Okay, thank you. That's correct. Last number will be 7. Okay, now Janvi, please unmute yourself and read next question.
fill in the missing blanks.
Okay, we have to fill in the missing blanks. Okay, fine. What are the numbers in the first bit?
30, 20, 50.
30, 20, 50? 10,
10. 10.
10,
10.
20, 50.
Okay, numbers are 10, 20, dash, dash, and 50. So we have to fill in the missing blanks. Okay, first number is 10, then next number is 20. What should be the next number, Janvi?
30.
Very good. Yes, children, if you will observe this pattern, you can see that we have 10, then we have 20, and we all know 10 table. So 10, 20, the next number should be 30, 30. Very good. And after 30,
40.
yes, after 30, next number will be 40, 40. That's correct. Very good, Janvi. Okay. Fine. Sai Joshi, please unmute yourself and read what is there in the next pattern.
Okay, ma'am. 42, 32, dash, dash, 2. Ma'am?
Yes, Sai Joshit. 42, 32, dash, dash, and 2. What is happening here, Sai Joshit? Yes, Sai Joshit. Okay, fine. I'll help you. Yes, children. Now look at the pattern in second bit. See here, children. You can, if you will look at the pattern carefully, first one is 4 to 42. Then this is 3 to 32. Okay. Then we have dash and dash here. So in the second one, if you will see here, 2 is constant. Here we have 2, then we have 2, and in the last one also we have 2 here. Only the first digit, that is the digit in tens place, is changing. Here we have 4, then we have 3. What is happening here? I repeat again. Or you can see it in another way also. This is a decreasing pattern, right? Because first we have 42, then we have 32. But if you will go backward, then you have to go 10 steps backward. That won't be very easy. So what you can do is, there is another way. If you will look at the pattern, you can see first digit is 4 in the first number. Then we have 3 in the second number. So here first digit is decreasing by 1, right? And this 2 in the ones place is constant here. So what we can do, we can change this one. Sai Joshit, unmute yourself. And then what comes before 3? Just before 3.
Before 3,
Yeah.
2.
2. So what we will do, we will write here 2. And the 2 which is in ones place is constant. So we will write this 2 as it is. So number will be 2 to
22.
22. And what will be the next number then? Yeah, think about it. Now we have to change this 2 which is in tens place. Yeah, what comes just before 2?
1.
1. Yes, so we will write here 1 and then we will write
2.
2. What will be the number?
12.
Very good. So number will be 1, 2. That's correct. Okay, fine. Swarnika, please unmute yourself and look at third bit. Swarnika, unmute yourself and read third bit. Yes, Swarnika. 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Third bit, Swarnika, please read.
24, 20.
Okay, 24 and 20. Increasing pattern or decreasing?
Increasing. Decreasing.
Decreasing, yes, this is decreasing. So how many steps backward?